Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to change the URL of a page in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn the process in a clear and concise manner. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. Once you have arrived at the WordPress site, look toward the top right corner of the page where you will see the login option. Click the login button to begin the process of signing into your account. After clicking the login option, you will be presented with several options for logging in. Select the option that says Continue with Google. This method is streamlined and user-friendly, especially if your preferred email address is already associated with your Google account. Simply click the Continue with Google button and choose the account that you wish to use for logging in. Once you have successfully signed in, you will gain access to your WordPress dashboard. With your dashboard now accessible, the next stage of this tutorial involves accessing the Page Management section. Locate the Pages area from your WordPress dashboard. This area lists all the pages on your website, allowing you to easily choose the specific page whose URL you would like to modify. Moving through the interface is simple, and you can scroll through your list of pages until you locate the desired one. Once you have found the appropriate page, it is time to make the necessary changes to its URL. To achieve this, look for the Quick Edit option associated with the page. The Quick Edit feature provides you with a streamlined way of modifying essential page details without having to open the full editing interface. Simply click the Quick Edit option, and you will see several editable fields appear. Among these fields, you will find the field labeled slug. The slug represents the portion of the URL that identifies this particular page. To change the URL, update the text within the slug field, choose a value that accurately reflects the content of the page, and is both concise and easy to read. This step is crucial because the slug directly influences how the URL appears to visitors and impacts search engine optimization as well. After you have made your changes to the slug, review your modifications carefully. When you are satisfied with the updated URL, finalize your changes by clicking the Update button. This last action saves the new slug, and as a result, the URL of the page is updated immediately. The process is efficient, allowing you to quickly adjust the URL without navigating through overly complex menus. Following these clear steps ensures that you can modify your page URL in a matter of minutes. This guide has provided you with a straightforward method to navigate your WordPress dashboard and efficiently update the essential elements associated with a page. Enjoy the ease and effectiveness of managing your website with these simple instructions.